Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Hub. Today, we're finishing Jack's exciting adventure. Last time, Jack followed a compass to a mysterious cave. Now, he's about to discover what's inside. Are you ready? Let's go. Jack stood at the entrance of the cave. It was dark and quiet. He took a deep breath and stepped inside. The air was cool, and the walls of the cave were damp. As he walked deeper, he noticed something strange, a faint glimmer of light ahead. Curious, Jack moved closer. The light came from a small chest sitting on a rock. The chest was old and covered in dust. On the lid, there was an ancient inscription. The inscription said, "Only the brave can open this treasure." Jack smiled. "I'm brave enough," he thought. He opened the chest carefully. Inside, he found gold coins, sparkling jewels, and a letter. The letter read, "Congratulations! You have solved the mystery of the lost key. This treasure belongs to you now." Jack couldn't believe his eyes. He had done it, he had found the treasure. Jack decided to take the treasure home and show it to his grandmother. When he returned, she smiled and said, "I knew you could do it, Jack. This treasure has been in our family for generations. Now, it's yours to keep." Jack felt proud. He had solved the mystery, found the treasure, and made his grandmother happy. From that day on, Jack became known as the boy who discovered the hidden treasure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed Jack's adventure as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you liked this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Stay tuned for more exciting stories and English lessons at the English Learning Hub. Bye for now.